Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good night. Today I'm going to share with you the last iteration of my reverse sourcing process. So, in the past, I've made a couple of videos on how I went to improve my reverse sourcing process and how I got better, I got it to be more efficient. And I had some major development, and we are going to use this new strategy that I'm using. And it's not really strategies, but like it's, the little things that you do and that, you improve your process every single day. And I'm going to show you how to do it right now. To do this, all right, I just asked the baby goat himself, Hydrotech, on our Discord server to just send me a random async that we are going to start reverse sourcing. I didn't know if he would have sent it to me in time, so let's tell him thanks. And we are going to start from this async, and I'm going to show you my new process, right? So, by the way, we have a Discord server. Best place, if you have any question to ask me, it's the best place to do it. I mean, you can do it in the comments and stuff, but if you need some more help, best place to do it. Best place to hang out with other sellers as well, and to have an answer to any questions you may have about I'm selling on Amazon. So join the Discord server, and let's get back to the video. So, we just received the listing from baby goat himself, Hydrotech, and we are gonna start reverse sourcing from it. All right, so IP alerts, that's fine. Hydrotech, get the IP alert extension, it's gonna help you, but whatever, that's fine. We're gonna start from there, all right, because a lot of people do not know, and it may be a false positive, but I'm gonna show you it does not really matter. So I have a whole video on how to select the best storefront to source. I link it here if I don't forget. But yeah, we are gonna choose a good storefront, and I'm gonna show you how I do reverse sourcing now. So I'm gonna look for someone with an okay amount of reviews. 54 is good. Let's start from him. Here we go. So what I'm doing right now, and it's what I'm doing a little bit differently, and that really helped me speed up my process and be way more efficient, is that before looking at any product on Google, what I'm gonna do, and it's really like a small thing, right? But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go through all the products in the storefront and open the one that I find may be interesting in a new tab, right? So junk elephant, we're not gonna look at them because we know that they're IP alert, right? What I'm gonna do, the way I'm gonna do it, and it's always going to be the same thing. This is really the main change, and it's gonna speed up your process a lot, right? So how many asyncs does this guy have? This guy has 8 asyncs, so it may not be a good guy to reverse source, but we are maybe gonna be able to find someone else here, right? So let's check quickly. Artium is the one we did, right? Let's check JPL, whatever its name is. And okay, so you have 158 async, so it's already a little bit better. So we are gonna do what I'm doing now, so which is opening the products that I find interesting in a new tab. How do I determine that the product is interesting? It's the same thing as before. I look at the keeper graph, I look at the maximum cost, and I look at the PSR, right? So Natural Made, I already know those products. It's on Walgreens. It would be cheating, right? If I tell you, okay, I found the lead, it would be cheating. So let's scroll down, all right? So what I do is, as I said, I'm gonna go through the product super fast. So nothing good from here. Nothing too good. I'm mainly looking at, okay, so same thing, it's from Walgreens. You know what, let's just do it for the sake of the example. We're still gonna look at them, but those products are on Walgreens, and they've been in promotion for more than a year, so we may have found a lead already, but like, we're not gonna count them. So I'm really, all those products have Amazon on them, so I'm just scrolling past them, and I'm a little bit slower than when I do it usually myself when I'm really working, because I'm talking to you guys at the same time, right? But yeah, I'm just opening everything that I find. Let me open everything that may be interesting, and then, only then, when I've been through the whole storefront, I am going to look on Google, and I'm going to look deeper than I used to do before on my videos on Google. It has helped me a lot. It's been like, it's sped up my process a lot, and I can find easily all the storefront I check, even if it's a random storefront. I usually find this one, Amazon is on it, but Amazon does not have the buy box from what it looks like, so this may be interesting. And it sped up my process tremendously because not only that, but like you go deeper, and sometimes you get tired of looking through ASINs, looking on Google and stuff. So sometimes I just start my day. I come in the morning into my computer, I open all the tabs I can, and then I go through it little by little during the day, and I wait until I may find one lead right now, and then finish to look at the storefront at all those ASINs like at night and find new leads. So it really made my process so much faster and so much better. And I really think that this is the way you should do it. This may be interesting. Let's check. We'll check it, of course, later. We're still looking at what looks interesting. So once again, to see what's interesting, I'm looking at the maximum cost. I'm looking at the what is it called? I'm looking at the keeper graph, and I'm looking at the number of offers and the rank. I'm trying to really look through this super fast. So you know what? If you ship your house, you do not work with the prep center, this may be good. We'll see. But yeah, I'm trying to look through this super fast and open all the ASINs that maybe that I think I may be able to find profitably and that sells fast enough, right? So all those I'm skipping because the maximum cost is too low. This I'm skipping it because the graph, and you cannot see the graph from here, from this one, but yeah, the graph was not looking that good, did not look that stable. And I'm going through it kind of fast, so I may skip some stuff that may look good to you, but it's just I'd rather go through a lot of data and miss a few things than go through everything one by one and be super slow. There's no point in doing this, right? So yeah, that's the process. Basically, we're gonna finish to open everything that looks good in this storefront, and this is too low. We're gonna keep doing this for a few minutes. This may be alright if it's on sale. Let's see. I don't know. Let's look at this one too. We'll look at this one too. Let's keep scrolling down. Let's see if there's anything else. Bro, people sell spam on Amazon. It's crazy. Let's let it look. Nah. Polo Ralph Lauren. You know what? I think the rank is bad, but I want to see it. I want to see if people actually if it actually sells slowly. If it sells slowly, this is potentially if you were doing RA, this is maybe something that you could have jumped on. But with OA, it's not the same thing. This is a little bit high. But I still want to check it out. Okay. And you see, by doing this, usually I'm not gonna lie. Before I was doing this, I will not go all the way through a storefront most of the time because there's just so many ASINs to check, right? And I will not go through the whole storefront, and then I would miss on a lot of products, especially on storefronts where there's a lot of products like this one, right? So let's keep going. And then I'm going to show you the next thing that I do, which is I have a null to right screen, and I put the product on Google on the right and the products on Amazon on the left to make sure that to check them super fast. So that's it. Okay, that's it. So from this storefront, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 products to check. All right. How many listings does this storefront have? 158. So we have less than 10% of the listings this storefront has to check. So this is why I'm always telling you need to go through a lot of data. Do not expect the first products you check to be profitable. No, I know that the first product I'm going to check is probably going to be profitable because it's something I know exactly where to find this. But let's move to the next step, and I'm going to show you exactly the second part of my process that I've never shown on video because yet, but because it does not look good, but I'm going to show you. So I made this little scene to show you my whole screen so you can see my OBS on the right. And the way I do it usually is I have this snapped to the left, I'm sorry. And on the other side, I'm going to put another Chrome window where I'm going to look at the product on Google. So I know it does not look good, but it's just to show you my process right now. because there's a black bar and stuff below me, and I created that scene just for, I told you it's on Walgreens, let's see if we can get it profitably. Just for, okay, so buy one get one free, yeah, just for you know, for live stream and stuff. I've never used it yet, but by the way, let me know in the comment what would be the best time for you, the time would prefer to do live stream. All right. So yeah, let's use the product calculation spreadsheet, and this spreadsheet, guys, is in the description. Do not ask me for the spreadsheet in the comments, it's in the description. I mean, you can ask me for the spreadsheet in the comments because it's going to boost my engagement, but this spreadsheet is the spreadsheet I use to calculate my cost all the time. And yeah, the link is in the description if you want to use it. So yeah, so we have a buy one get one free, plus on Walgreens we can get 25%. We can get 25% with the welcome coupon, with the new welcome coupon. So buy one get one free times so it's going to be like 60 something percent, 62.5%. So we are going to save 62.5% here. How much cashback do we have? We have 1.05. That's pretty low. 1.05. We don't have any gift cards. Here we go. And how much it costs? $31.99. All right, so we can get that for $12.53, and we are not going to pay tax because it's so $11.69, because it's like vitamins. We don't pay tax on vitamins, so we get it for $11.69. And yeah, first products we checked, as I told you, but it's cheating because I know this product, you know, and it's not really cheating because it's the, you know, and let me just bring this back right here. It's you know, it's the name of the game when you do online arbitrage. So you're gonna start knowing some brands, you're gonna start knowing some products, and you're gonna be able to find some products super fast. You know, like this is the name of the game. Now, this is, as I said, this is a good product, and this is the, let me just put this back here, and this is the way I do my reverse sourcing now, and it's helped me tremendously. It's super fast. Super fast, because that way, you know, I can just go through the products. You know, I've gone through this product, I've gone through this product. Let's look at this one on Google, and I'm not going to put it on the next screen, but I'm going to do it here. So it's way faster because I know exactly how many products I need to go through, right? I know that I have 13 products to look at. I may look at them all really deeply during the, you know, in the morning, and then like place my orders at night. And I know exactly how many products I need to go through, and you know, it makes it way easier than just being on the storefront, not knowing if the storefront is good, the storefront is bad. Because that way, if the storefront is bad, you just go through everything, you see which products are good, and like if the storefront is not good, you do not stay on that storefront. That's it. It's way faster than looking at one product here, one product here, one product here. You can quickly determine if the storefront is a good storefront or not, right? And if it's a bad storefront, you're gonna go through it like super fast in 2-3 minutes, right? And then only you look at the products. You can also do this by, you know, you open a few storefronts, you just open all the products that looks interesting on Amazon. I mean, from the storefront, you open the Amazon tab, like with what I did. You do it for multiple tabs, for multiple storefront, I'm sorry, and then you start diving deeply into Google and trying to see if you can find a product profitably. Now, the thing is that before as well, I was not going really deep in Google. I was checking here quickly. You know, and I was seeing if the product was on sale, the product was not, or if the product is not on sale, or if a similar product is on sale, and then I will check it on Google, right? I mean, on Amazon. Now, the thing I do is I go way deeper, because I've been able to find products, like I've been able to find leads on more low-key websites by going further away than, you know, the first page of Google, right? Because as they said, the best place to hide a dead body is on the second page of Google. The best place to find a super great lead as well, and for cheaper and low-key websites, is on the second page of Google, right? Starting from the second page of Google. So usually what I do now is I dive way deeper. So how much do we need to find this product for? $10.75, $24.99. Okay, we need to find it under $10. So let's see if it's possible. On Walgreens, maybe this is Walmart. I'm sorry. Yeah, on Walgreens, we may have, yeah, $14.99, we may be able to, no promotion. That's not gonna work. Maybe it's gonna work with the 25% coupon, but, well. So, if you're in the Midwest, you can do Kroger, but let's start diving deeper. $9.97 on Instacart. I never really sourced from Instacart. It's kind of weird. And yeah, you see, by going down, we can already find price cheaper. So for example, right here, $11.49, right? And also, by doing this, you know, I already have a few products that I want to check. So I know I need to check 13 products. I do not have a problem going deeper into, you know, deeper into the search results and looking like more deeply for this product on different websites and potentially figuring out new websites. Also, you know, I have a lot of leads now. Like I have a lot of leads. I have a big lead list that I can source over and over. So I can spend more time, and this also helped me a lot. I can spend more times on diving deeper on specific leads like that, because I do not necessarily need to find a lead today to be able to place an order today. I know that if I don't even source, I'm going to be able to place like at least $2,000 of orders today. So because I already know which lead I can buy today. So this helped me a lot, and this is why you need to, you really need to for maybe 1 month, 2 months, try to find a lot of leads. And some leads are going to be trash, some leads are going to be good, but like I did 5 leads a day for like close to 6 weeks, and maybe more than 6 weeks, and it helped me a lot because I have a huge database of leads right now, and I can really focus on, now if I add a lead to my lead list, I can really focus on finding a really, really good lead. It's fine if I don't find one for a day because I already have leads to source, right? But it really helped me, to be honest, and now I can dive deeper into you know, when I actually source. Now, I think we found it at $9.79. Let's see if it's the same one. And now you would need to check if this product is legit, but you see how by going, let's just, yeah, it's the same. But you saw how by just going a little bit deeper in the search, we were able to find this product for way cheaper, right? Way cheaper than what it was selling on Walgreens. Now, is this website legit or not? I have no idea. So we will need to check that. Okay, it looks like it may not be legit. TrueCare now. Let's look at the website here. Yeah, it does not look like it's really legit. I don't know. I would not know. TrueCareNow.com. Let's look a little bit at their website. And then we may look at if it's actually legit. Yeah. We're gonna do this. TrueCareNow Pharmacy. We could look at the review on Facebook, but like, it does not look like it's super legit. Like, I'm not gonna. This is nah. We're not gonna order from this website. But I mean, you could look deeper into it if you wanted to. I'm not going to. But yeah, let's keep scrolling and try to find this product cheaper. At Publix, maybe, I don't know, $11 Payless Supermarket. I don't know if it's legit or not. But yeah, you can see that the price is already going down by and this is not the same one, right? Currently out of stock. Let's see if this website is legit. I have no idea. Let's check. Same thing, no reviews and stuff. Doesn't look legit. But yeah, this is how, you know, this is how I would do it, guys. This is how I do it now, and it speed my process a lot. This is really my process. I don't know if we should keep going in this video. You know what? Yeah, let's go for one more lead. Let's go for one more lead. So this is Walgreens again, so it's gonna be profitable again. So you know, it's too easy. We're not gonna look at this. Let's look at this one, L'Oreal Perfect Sale Renewal. We need to find it under $18. So here we go. Fragrance Net. 1763. Let's say, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. 1763. Do not pay tax. I don't think you pay tax on Fragrance Net, but you get 5% off, 5% cash back with. We have 2 here. You know what? Let's just do this. 1763. So we would pay 1887. I don't think it's gonna be super good, yeah. But here you go. Another lead, 29%. I mean, you could manufacture your margin with that lead, to be honest. I'm not even sure it's the same one. Age perfect sell renew night. Age perfect sell renewal night. I'm not even sure it's the same one. I believe it's the same one. But you get the idea, guys. This is just to show you the process. This is my new reverse sourcing process. This is really the way I'm doing it now, and you can see that by doing this, the hit rate for the product, like the hit rate for the products that you are actually going to check, is going to be. Let me just. Yeah, nah, this product may be good. I don't know. You will need to dive deeper into it, into the L'Oreal product. But yeah, this is really my new sourcing process, my new reverse sourcing process, guys. It just helped me make it way easier when it comes to reverse sourcing. It simplified my life. It's way easier. If you can get the ultra wide screen, get one as well. It's gonna speed up your process. Or just 2 screens. You know, you do not need ultra wide screen, but like you can put Amazon on one screen and Google on the other screen, and yeah, but like by doing this with the storefront, by actually focusing first, like this is really a 2-step process for me now. So when I first go through a storefront and look at all the leads that are potentially good leads, and then the next step in the process would be to actually go through Google, try to find those leads and dive deeper, like go deep and like look for those leads more like that I used to, and not stay surface level, right? So yeah, that's my new process. You've seen how fast it is. I hope it can help you. If it does, let me know in the comments, let me know on Discord, let me know on all those places. Watch these other videos on the screen if you want to keep learning about Amazon. Subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. I'll release a new video on selling on Amazon every single day. Thanks for watching.